Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. So we'll take a look at the SUI chart here on the daily time frame. And on this time frame, on this chart, we want to take a look at the Elliott wave structures, relevant support and resistance levels. You know, what we're dealing with here is basically a chart which was quite promising. The structure got really damaged on the 10th of October. I mean, I have to say it depends really on which exchange data, where we take the exchange data from, because on the 10th of October, the Binance low formed around 55 cents, yeah. And Coinbase was up here. It was up here. It was around $2, completely crazy. We do have from the April low a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. So technically, this can still be classed as a so-called 1-2 pattern, a 1-2 setup, and a third wave to the upside could still follow. It's low confidence though, and that is for various reasons. The first reason that I do not trust this bullish scenario at the moment is because the market dipped in this wave 2 very deep. It is already very close to invalidation. I mean, had it held here the Coinbase 10th of October low, I would be, a bit more positive about it. But since the 10th of October low, or since that crash, I've been telling you that we need a break above 350. Without that break above 350, there is no confirmed low. There is no confirmed local low. So the pressure still remains downward. In this wave 2, we could expect the price to go lower as long as we can't break above 350, because this is exactly the level that I've been watching for various other charts and coins as well, because this is the level where the selling volume kicked in on the 10th of October. So it's crucial. It's crucial for the price to break above it. Sooner or later, it has to, if it wants to recover. For now, the pressure is downward and we're approaching the invalidation point of the 1-2 setup. So already mentioned to you, this is a very deep wave too. That's the first reason why I don't trust it. Second reason is on the Binance chart. Obviously, it crashed down to 55 cents and invalidated it altogether already on that chart. So either way, regardless of whether I call this a wave 2 pullback and it needs to hold the April low to remain valid, or we use the Binance chart for reference, there is no confirmed low at this point. We wanted to get above 350. Now, to be honest, we're now at $2. 350 is far away. So we have to figure out, are there any other resistance levels that matter? And I think it can make sense to take a look at the short-term chart here for SUI. So let's see if we need to change anything here. I don't think we need to. I mean, I shared in the member video a few days ago that we still haven't got any confirmed low. Here on the smaller time frame, I'm still tracking it as a 1-2 setup, but I told you I need to get at least a break above the last signal line here. That's at $2.68 for a first indication of a low. This is just, I mean, it's done what it needed to do, right? I could even say, maybe that low has already formed. It's so weak, it hasn't given us any bounce. And I mean, this is a completed 5-wave move down in wave C, but really the invalidation point is there at 172, 170. Yeah, 172. So we're very close. Price already came down to round about 183. It just has to hold that low or it will invalidate. But if it invalidates, there's no support level left. I mean, it will then, let's say it opens the door back to larger degree support below 139, $1.01. So it remains, the chart remains under pressure. We need a micro 5-wave move up that breaks at least above $2.68 to indicate a low is in. At the moment, low confidence that it's gonna hold. That's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also make sure to follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, much more. This video here, for example, also was published first on X. Sometimes videos there are just updated a little earlier. Sometimes you get additional content there, additional updates. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.